Hello! Yung Kinder Egg ko guys, nasa bulsa ko. Dito, Chef Buster ko na lang. Tatapsik na guys. Yung mantika. Wow! It's getting toxic. Yes, Lola. May mantika na po. Yes. Yes.
Careful.
Yes, like you. Yes, may mantika na to.
Oil.
Garlic. Onion. Ginger. But I can do this.
Sige.
Manok. Wow. Make it inside. Wow, ako nagko-cook guys by myself. Yelo. Dapat mo yan. Nasa production area kami. Di ba ang laki ng house namin?
Oh my God. Smells good.
Sino yan?
Oh, wow.
Si Wawa.
Yes!
Sino yun?
It's my Lala.
It's your lolo.
You are vlogging
Yes?
or brag mo?
Ihalo. Pepper ako na, pepper. Pepper.
Okay. Oh.
Now it's time for the salt.
I'll help you.
I think that is
Tama na.
so salt. Mix it. Patis.
Taste good. Ay, ano yan? Smells good. Amoyin mo.
Yeah.
What?
Get with me, Daddy. Get with me. Smell good. Wait lang guys, magpulo. Diba, ito ang Kinder Egg ko after lunch na to guys. Itong Kinder Egg na may toys at chocolate egg. Wow. Oh, diba may chocolate at meron to chocolate, meron to laman na marami. Chocolate at Kinder Egg. Ay, chocolate at toys. Lagay natin sa bucket ko. Dahong chili. Wow. Papaya ito guys. Green ito. Wow. Tingnan nyo guys ang cook ko. Wait lang guys. Yan ang luto ko guys. Ang sarap guys. Diba? Ang sarap. Ang tigluluto natin guys, chicken. Ay, pahingi nga boy!
I-slice ko, nagkukuk ka pa.
Pahingi pa ako! Yung guys, yung mami ko, mataray.
Girls, yung mami ko mataray.
Hindi ako man.
Next. I'm eating apple. May fresh dyan marami yung slice ng mama ko.
Tasty chicken tinola.
Fresh butter guys. Babalik siya pag natin this.
Ano?
Babalik siya pag ganyan ito.
Chef Buster.
May nakalimutan kaya kami guys ilagay okra.
Saan to galing?
Sa backyard namin. Doon sa likod ng tanim ng lola ko. Para guys, luto na yung Masarap. O, diba?
Hindi ko pa nakita. Oh, galing ah.
Parang ang sarap guys kasi mang bango. Gutom na ako. Smell good guys pero ang init. Ito na guys. Yes, I did it. I cannot wait to try it. Whoa, whoa. Wow, I'm done. Wow, 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 wow. Time to eat.
How's the taste?
Go.